press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome back to the video classes. Today let us move on to part 25 of organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques. In the previous class we discussed about common name and the IUPAC name of alcohols and the ethers. Let us move on to the next class of organic compounds here, that are nothing but carboxylic acids. I have given a prefix here, monocarboxylic acids. It stands for the carboxylic acids containing only one COOH group. So, monocarboxylic acids means the carboxylic acids which containing only one COOH group. And a general formula for this is CnH2n plus 1 COOH. You know that this is the general formula of alkyl group. So, CnH2n plus 1 COOH, you have to give the value of n from 0, 1, 2, 3. Because here the functional group is COOH group and that COOH group is containing carbon. Already the carbon atom present in a functional group. Always the first member of any of the organic series containing one carbon. So, since the functional group itself containing one carbon here, you need to give the value of n is equal to 0 here. Then if you give 0 here in this formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH, the compound will be HCOOH, and this is the first member of the carboxylic acid series because it containing one carbon. So, remember students, whenever a functional group containing carbon, then we have to consider that functional group, the carbon present in a functional group, to the root word. Always. If a functional group alle carbon atom ittu antandre, aa carbon atom na kuda navu consider madbekagutte compound ige, hagene the root word tagolbekadru kuda navu ade carbon na consider madbekagutte. If for example alcohols matte ether functional group alli carbon atom irlilla, but still illi carbon atom ide functional group alli. So iga ee carbon na now consider madlebekagutte. So this is the first member as it containing one carbon. But you can also give the general formula like this, CnH2nO2. You can also give the general formula as CnH2nO2. So this formula is derived from the general formula is derived from the alkane series. Alkane series alli navu ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, CnH2n plus 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ one hydrogen is replaced by COOH ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you can give the general formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH, or else you can give the formula CnH2nO2. If this is the formula, you have to give the value 1. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ functional group ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, functional group general formula ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so it starts with the value of n from 1. If you give 1 here, CnH2O2. H2O2 means you can write it as HCOOH. So C1H2O2. You will get the first member of the carboxylic acid series. Okay na? Now the common name of carboxylic acids anta bandaga, the common name of organic carboxylic acids are derived from their source and the history. So the common names of most of the carboxylic acid series up to 5 carbon atoms, it is derived from the source or the history. And if you move on to the IUPAC name, we have to name it as alkane oic acid. Alkane is the root word, alkane, and oic acid is the secondary suffix, correct? Alkane oic acid. Oic acid is the secondary suffix. While adding this to here, you have to drop the terminal E, then it becomes alkanoic acid. It becomes alkanoic acid because oic acid is the secondary suffix for carboxylic acid. So write down here, secondary suffix will be, secondary suffix for this is oic acid. Oic acid. And what is the functional group? COOH is the functional group. So let us move on to the examples here. Formula, then common name, and IUPAC name. IUPAC name. So as I said, common names are derived on the basis of source here. So let us move on to the examples for the carboxylic acid series. Examples. The first one, first member of the series, HCOOH. So here when I give R is equal to hydrogen or alkyl group. Here hydrogen or alkyl group. So first you write the hydrogen, then it becomes HCOOH. Now you replace the R by methyl group, first alkyl group CH3COOH. Now replace it by ethyl group CH3CH2COOH. Now you replace it by propyl group CH3CH2COOH. Now give the branch to this propyl group CH2, here branch it CH3COOH. So how to name the given compounds, carboxylic acids, based on the source. The first member is HCOOH. HCOOH means it is derived from the Greek letter formicus. Formicus means red ant. So when the red ants are subjected to distillation, the distillate obtained containing formic acid, and hence the name is formic acid. This is derived from the common name, so that is the source. Therefore it is formic acid. Formic acid. So here IUPAC name bandubiಟ್ಟು alkanoic acid. Alkanoic acids. So what is how many carbon atoms are there in a first member? Only one carbon. Therefore the root word will be meth, and it takes the locant one here because we need to give the preference for a functional group. So methanoic acid, methanoic acid, methanoic acid. As I said, we need to consider the carbon atom of a functional group also, and hence the name is methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Okay. Now move on to the second. Methyl group is attached to the COOH, but total number of carbon atoms here will be 2, and this methyl means this is derived from acetum. Acetum means vinegar. Therefore the acetum, and hence the name is acetic acid. Acetic acid. Acetic acid is the common name, and formic acid is the IUPAC name. So this is formic acid. Formic acid. Small letter we have to take, formic acid, and this is acetic acid. How many carbon atoms are there, students, in a compound? 2 carbon atoms. Therefore the root word will be ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Position of COOH is 1. Therefore you can ignore that. So ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Clear? Ethanoic acid is the IUPAC name of acetic acid. What is the common name of methanoic acid? Common name of methanoic acid is formic acid. That you have to remember. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ methyl group ಇದೆ ಅಂತ, ಇದು methanoic acid ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 carbon atoms ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, including the carbon atom of a functional group. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ functional group ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ carbon atom ನ ನಾವು root word ಗೆ consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Now ethyl group is attached here, and it is 3 carbon atoms are there. The common name is propionic acid. Propionic acid. Propionic acid. So what is the IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbon atoms are there. Root word is propane. Propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Propionoic acid. Propanoic acid. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ION ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ANO ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So propionic acid, propanoic acid. Now what about this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. the acid containing 4 carbon atoms, and the acid containing 4 carbon atoms are mainly present in a butter, and hence it is called butyric acid. What is the name? 2, 3, 4. So it is butyric acid. Butyric acid. So butyric acid is the IUPAC common name of the compound. So since the carbon chain is straight here, you can name it as N-butyric acid. N-butyric acid. N here stands for normal chain of the carbon atom. So the carbon chain is straight here, therefore N-butyric acid. Now what is the IUPAC name? 4 carbon atoms, 3 in a alkyl group plus 1 carbon of a functional group. Total 4 carbon atoms. Therefore, but is the root word, and hence the name is butanoic acid. Butanoic acid is the IUPAC name of butyric acid, N-butyric acid. Now, look at here. Total 4 carbon atoms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore the name will be same, butyric acid, but the carbon chain is branched. Therefore you can name it as isobutyric acid. Isobutyric acid. Carbon chain is branched with the 4 carbon atoms. Therefore it is isobutyric acid. Now what is IUPAC name? Select the straight chain containing maximum number of carbon atoms, because you cannot select this chain as this chain does not containing a functional group. Therefore, you have to select that carbon chain which containing a functional group to give the preference. Therefore, you select this straight chain and give the number from this end to give the preference 1, 2 and 3. At the second carbon we have substituent. What is the name of the substituent group here? It is methyl group. On second carbon we have methyl group. 2-methyl. How many carbon atoms in a straight chain? 3 carbon atoms are there. Prop is the root word. Propanoic acid. Substituted propanoic acid. What substituted? Methyl substituted. Where it gets substituted? On the second carbon. Therefore it is 2-methyl propanoic acid. So what is the IUPAC name? 2-methyl propanoic acid. 2-methyl propanoic acid. So 2-methyl propanoic acid is the IUPAC name of the isobutyric acid. So isobutyric acid in IUPAC name enagutte 2-methyl propanoic acid. Okay, now move on to the next one. Sixth one. Sixth one. Sixth one, CH2 Cl COOH. Seventh one, CH3 CH2 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 COOH. So look at here. Substituent group, that is chlorine substituent, is on this carbon. So IUPAC name giving the position of chlorine on a carboxylic acid is very easy, because we can use the locant. We can use the locant to give the position of this chlorine atom. So carboxylic acid alli yavadara substituent group ide athwa any organic compound alli substituent group idre, position of that substituent group can be easily given by using a locants. That is in IUPAC name. But common name alli ee tara substituent bandaga how to name this? So how to name the compounds? Adu important agutte. Illi this is basically it is acetic acid, correct? CH3COOH. It is acetic acid. Now it is substituted acetic acid. Substituted acetic acid. What substituted acetic acid? Chloro substituted acetic acid. But where this chlorine atom is present? It is present on this carbon. What is this carbon? This carbon is alpha carbon. So what is alpha carbon? So consider here So this is functional group, correct? As I said, I have given this already. The carbon atom which is adjacent to the functional group is alpha. The carbon atom which is adjacent to the functional group is alpha, and this is beta and this is gamma, like that. So in a common name system, position of a substituent group can be indicated by using Greek letters like alpha, beta, gamma. Which is alpha carbon? The carbon atom which is adjacent to the functional group is nothing but alpha carbon. Therefore, it is alpha substituted acetic acid. Alpha carbon atom mele yava substituent group ide? Chloro ide. Therefore, alpha chloroacetic acid. So, what is your common name? Common name is alpha chloroacetic acid. Alpha chloroacetic acid is the common name of this, where the chlorine atom is attached to this carbon and this carbon is alpha because it is next to the functional group. Then how to get the IUPAC name? Select this chain. This is the selected chain. This is first and the second carbon. So on the second carbon we have chlorine as a substituent. Therefore the name becomes 2-chloro. What is this name of the IUPAC name? 2 carbon atoms are there in a root word. Therefore ethanoic acid. What substituted ethanoic acid? Chloro substituted ethanoic acid. What is the position of this chlorine atom? On the second carbon. Therefore 2-chloroethanoic acid. 2-chloroethanoic acid. 2-chloroethanoic acid is the IUPAC name of alpha chloroacetic acid. Alpha chloroacetic acid. Now move on to this compound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbon atoms are there total. You can name it as pentanoic acid, pentyl oic acid, and actually the common name for this is valeric acid. Valeric acid. Valeric acid. And what is the IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now what is the name? Pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid is the IUPAC name. That is actually you have to write it as pentane 1-oic acid. Since the locant is 1, you can ignore it and you can write it as pentanoic acid. As COOH group is a terminal functional group. It is a terminal functional group. Even in a butanoic acid also you have to give the locant 1 here because it is at the first position. Butane 1-oic acid or butanoic acid. That is the IUPAC name of butyric acid as I have given. So this is valeric acid and IUPAC name is pentanoic acid. So let me give one more example here. CH3, CH2, CHCl, CH2, COOH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is valeric acid, but it is substituted valeric acid. What substituted? Chlorine atom is get substituted to this carbon. Now how to denote the position? This is alpha, this is beta and this is gamma. At beta position we have chlorine. Therefore the name will be beta chloro valeric acid. What is the name? Beta chloro valeric acid, because the position of chlorine is on the beta carbon. What is beta carbon? The beta carbon is present next to functional group. So this is alpha and this is beta. Beta chloro valeric acid. Now give the IUPAC name. Select this chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On third carbon we have chlorine. Therefore the name will be 3-chloro-pentanoic acid. 3-chloro-pentanoic acid is the IUPAC name of this compound, beta chlorovaleric acid. So this is about the common and the IUPAC name of monocarboxylic acids. While naming it in a substituted monocarboxylic acids, you can use the Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma to give the position of the substituent group in a common name system, and you can use locants in case of IUPAC system. Okay, now let us move on to the next series of the compounds here. Next one. So next series of the compounds, let us consider. So let me give the next series of the compound. Next series is nothing but that is seventh one. It is nothing but aldehydes. Now, what is the representation of aldehydes? General representation, that is RCHO. So this is the general representation of aldehydes, where R is hydrogen or alkyl group. It may be hydrogen or the alkyl group. And what is the secondary suffix? Secondary suffix for aldehyde functional group is Al. Al is the secondary suffix. Now, what is the general formula? In a general formula, we have to remove one hydrogen from the alkane and we need to give a functional group CHO, and hence the general formula will be CnH2n plus 1 CHO. As already I have written a functional group here, that itself containing carbon. ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದೆ, and we need to consider that carbon to the root word. So therefore CnH2n plus 1 CHO, and the value of n, number of carbon atoms starts with 1. Therefore the value of n must be 0, 1, 2, 3, that we had to give. And the second formula, this is derived from the alkane, and this is the second formula, CnH2nO. Here we need to give the value of n is from 1. So then the first member, if you substitute the value of n is equal to 0 here and n is equal to 1 here, what the formula you will get? You will get CnH2n plus 1 idayili. So this becomes 0, and here you will get 1 HCHO. HCHO is the first member of the aldehyde series, and here also you will get C1H2O. C1H2O can be written as HCHO. HCHO containing 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So you can write the general formula in this way or in this way. Okay, now let us move on to the common and the IUPAC name. So while giving the common name, whatever the common names are given for carboxylic acids, so the common names of aldehydes are derived from the common names of carboxylic acids. So carboxylic acids in a common name ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರಿಂದ derive ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ common names of aldehydes. Ali 1 carbon, 2 carbon, and the same members here repeats, but the only difference is functional group. Ali COOH ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ CHO ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So CHO is a aldehyde functional group, and this is also terminal functional group. Aldehyde group is also terminal functional group. Then how to get the common names of aldehydes? Andre they are derived from the common names of carboxylic acids. How? So in the common names of carboxylic acids, you have to remove ic acid. Instead of ic acid, you have to add the word aldehyde. aldehyde. So instead of ic acid you have to add the word aldehyde. So aldehyde anta neevu word anna add madbekagutte in place of ic acid. Then what is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name bandubiಟ್ಟು all ane, remove the terminal e and add al. Alkanols. Alkanols is the IUPAC name of the aldehyde series. Now let us move on to the examples. First member HCHO. HCHO. Second one, as I said, here R may be hydrogen or alkyl group because first member is starts with R is equal to H only because already function group containing one carbon. Okay, now CH3 CHO. Third one CH3 CH2 CHO. Fourth one CH3 CH2 CH2 CHO. Fifth one CH3 CH CH3 CHO. So these are the 5 members I have given now. Now what is the common name of carboxylic acid containing one carbon? Formic acid. Now we have to remove ic acid and we have to add the word aldehyde, then the name will be formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. It is very important to remember the common names of at least first 3 members of the series. Formaldehyde is very important, and carboxylic acids, in case of carboxylic acids you do remember formic acid, acetic acid. Acetic acid is very important. Formic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid, butyric acid, all these acids common names are very important. And here also formaldehyde, since one carbon atom is there, methane is the root word and the E, terminal E is replaced by Al and hence the name will be methanol. Methanol. Methanol is the IUPAC name. Meth is the root word, Ane is the primary suffix, Al is the secondary suffix. While adding this secondary suffix to the primary suffix, just I drop the terminal E. Okay, now move on to the next one. CH3CHO, methyl group is gets attached. Total number of carbon atoms will be 2 here. And what is the common name of carboxylic acid which containing 2 carbon atoms? It is acetic acid. Here ic acid is removed and you have to add acetaldehyde. That is you have to add the word aldehyde. Acetic acid, you remove ic acid and add the word aldehyde, then it will be acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is the common name. And how many carbon atoms are there? 2 carbon atoms are there. First carbon itself is a functional group, therefore the name will be ethanol. Ethane, 1 all, or you can write it as ethanol. Since the aldehyde group is a terminal functional group, you will get the locant one always before the secondary suffix. So carboxylic acids alli irbodu athwa aldehydes alli irbodu, before secondary suffix you will get the locant one. Hagagi a locant one anna ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ignore ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ethanol ಅಂತ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Okay, now move on to the third one. Ethyl group is gets attached. So there are 3 carbon atoms. So 3 carbon atom, common name of acid containing 3 carbon atom is propionic acid, and therefore the name is propionaldehyde. So keep on writing this, propionic acid. I removed ic acid and I added the word aldehyde and hence the name is propionaldehyde. 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 And what is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name is very simple, propanol. Propanol. Prop, ane, 1 all, propanol. Propanol is the IUPAC name. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. So containing 4 carbon atoms. So the name of the carboxylic acid containing 4 carbon atoms will be butyric acid, and here you have to write N, butyric. Ic means remove ic acid and add aldehyde, then it will be butyraldehyde, N-butyraldehyde. Why it is N? Because the chain is straight, carbon chain is straight, therefore it is N-butyraldehyde. And what is the IUPAC name? 4 carbon atoms are there, But-N-Al. So butanol, butanol is the IUPAC name of the N-butyraldehyde. Now move on to the fifth one here. In a fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also there are 4 carbon atoms, but the carbon chain is branched, therefore it is isobutyraldehyde. Isobutyraldehyde is the common name. So very important, isobutyraldehyde is the common name. Now you select this chain 1, 2, 3. So on first carbon we have a functional group, and on second carbon we have a substituent, that is methyl group. So therefore what is the name? 2-methyl, 3 carbon atoms are there, propanol, means it is substituted propanol. What substituted? Methyl substituted. Where this methyl group is present? On the second carbon, and hence the IUPAC name is 2-methyl propanol. 2-methyl propanol is the IUPAC name of CH3, CH3, CHO. So this is about the 4 members of the series. Let us move on to the next one. So note down this. 6th one, CH3, CH2, 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 CHO. 7th one, CH3, CHBr, CHO. And you have to remember one more point here. When a substituent group is also there and functional group is also there in a compound, means you need to give the preference for functional group rather than the substituent group. That you have to remember. Now look at this compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the common name of carboxylic acid containing 5 carbon atoms? The common name is valeric acid, from which you have to remove ic acid and you have to add the word aldehyde, then the name will be valeraldehyde. Valeraldehyde is the common name for the aldehyde containing 5 carbon atoms. And what is the IUPAC name? 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbon atoms, therefore pentane is the root word. Pent-ane or pentanol. Pentanol is the IUPAC name of valeraldehyde. Pentanol is the IUPAC name of valeraldehyde. Now this is substituted one. As I said, to denote the position of substituent in a common name system, we need to use the Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma, which is alpha carbon. This is alpha carbon because which is next to the functional group, and this is beta. On alpha carbon we have bromo, therefore alpha bromo. Alpha bromo. What is the common name of aldehyde which containing 3 carbon atoms? Propionaldehyde. So therefore propionaldehyde. It is derived from the common name called propionic acid. So therefore alpha bromo propionaldehyde. Now what is the IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3. Select this time. On the second carbon we have bromine, therefore 2-bromo. 2-bromo propanol. 2-bromo propanol. So when 3 carbon atoms are there, root word becomes prop. Prop, ane, all, propanol. So 2-bromopropanol is the IUPAC name of alpha bromopropanoldehyde. So this is about the aldehyde series of the compound. RCHO is the general representation, where R may be hydrogen or the alkyl group. Hydrogen ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ alkyl group ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, and note down the general formula and what the values that we can give for the number of carbon atoms. So this is about the common name and IUPAC name of aldehyde series. So in this class we studied about the common and IUPAC name of carboxylic acid series and the aldehyde series. So in the next class let us discuss about the common names and IUPAC's name of other class of organic compounds. Okay, thank you.